everyone, my name is Harumi from Okei-san.japaneseteaplus. In this video, I'd like to show you the easiest and quickest way to make a bag using furoshiki. Have you heard about furoshiki? Furoshiki is a traditional Japanese wrapping cloth. In the beginning, people wrapped their belongings in furoshiki when they were in a public bath. Now it attracts attention as an eco bag. Let's make a simple bag using Ma-Musubi knots. All you have to do is to make a knot twice. If you are not sure what the Ma-Musubi knot is, check out my previous video in which I demonstrated how to make a Ma-Musubi knot. Split the furoshiki and bring two corners next to each other. Make a Ma-Musubi knot. Bring the other corners and make another Ma-Musubi knot. Cross one Ma-Musubi knot through this hole. Pull it out, and that's it. You can place any shape of objects in this bag. For example, this rectangular box can be placed like this. This bag suits our traditional clothes called kimono. It is hard to find a suitable bag to use with kimono. Using furoshiki, you can make any style of bags whenever you need it. If you want to buy an authentic furoshiki, check out the link in the description. Have a try and enjoy!